Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily use Signal on Android or iPhone or whatever. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to open the Signal, you're going to see everything here. You need to clear the account, etc. I'm already past that. So if you're on the beginning of create account, just create it. It's simple. When you're going to be here, you have multiple options here. So the first thing, you can message to people, we will get to it, or you can actually create the groups or join groups on Signal. When you would go to the top left corner, you would get here on your name, number, and some settings. So first we are going to look on settings, and then I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Signal. So let's click on our name, and here you can change our name and change our profile picture to something else. So I have a picture here of myself behind the flower, and I'm going to choose it. Save. Then you get SMS and MMS, so you can have it or no. Then you're gonna see notifications here. Right here you can change the notification sound or notification call sound. You can have that too, and change the LED color under the vibrate. Right here. When you would go further, you're gonna see privacy, and you can enable screen lock or screen security. On have also incognito keyboard. Then you're going to see appearance here, and you can change the theme to dark and change also the language if you want to. And then you're going to see storage here and advanced, where you can pin settings or delete account. So when you got it, let's go back, and right here you can go to top right corner to the three dots, and you can mark all red, invite friends, settings, or new group. When you would create a new group, automatically it will put you to your contact list to invite someone to a group. So I got a friend here, and I can go further. Group name, YouTube tutorial. You can change also the picture. And voila, here we got it. This is how you create a group. In group, you can go to top right corner to the three dots, and you can enable disappearing messages. You can go with the 5 seconds, 30 minutes, 6 hours. So after 6 hours, all will be deleted in the group. And then you can go to the group settings, and you can simply, as you can see, mute notifications, add members because you're admin, or choose member here, and then block group or leave group. And here you can simply write YouTube, right? And you can hold the message, and you can forward it, delete it, or copy on the right top menu. Now when we got it and when we are here, what you can do now is, let's go back, is to write someone. So go to right bottom corner to write, and again I'm going to write to my friend who is using Signal. Signal. Again, send it to him, and then again, you can hold it, you can even delete the message. Go to right bottom corner to plus. You can also add location, where you are right now, or you can add a file. So I'm here, so I'm going to send it to him. Or you can simply click plus here and add a file here and upload whatever file you want. And then this is pretty much what you can do. When you would hold the message, you can again copy it or delete the message, and you can delete for yourself or for everyone. And now I delete it for everyone. And this is how you can simply use Signal. This is it. You can hold the chat, you can delete the chat also on the right top corner, or pin the chat. Then I'm going to delete it. And yeah, so thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. You can also use photographs. Allow. And here I am. Or we can simply screenshot. And you can share it with people, right? So yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.